another Chart Nerd TA video. I'm going to be looking at XRP today. So, Bitcoin, just to start off with, has picked up today. It's up, I think, about 5, 6, 7%, something like that today. And the rest of the market is starting to pick up with it. But looking at XRP here, that's a good thing, by the way. Looking at XRP here, we came to this local top, didn't we, on the 23rd of September at around 55 cents. And since that point, XRP has been coiling up in this sort of descending sort of channel here between resistance and support. Okay, and right now I think what's happening is, as I said, you've got this resistance line, resistance, okay, and you've got this support here. Right now, because we found a second area of support, you can see we're getting pushed up to resistance. If we break through here, okay, so if XRP comes up and breaks through this resistance line and holds it as support, you're going to be looking for a breakout, and I think potentially retesting this 55 in the near short term. I'll get a fib target on now, so we're going to go from this low, we're retracing to this high. Yeah, so if you see XRP get above the 0382 here at 48 cents and push up above the 050 equally and start to hold these EMAs as support, you're going to get a push up to this one fib here at 52 cents, I do believe, and you're going to come up and you're going to retest this. Okay, and if you do get above 52 cents at that point, okay, if you come in for some sort of correction there, you're going to look to push up to the 1618 at 56 cents and ultimately take out this high here. Okay, because you basically come back down to the EMAs. Right now you've closed below the 20. Yesterday I think it was, you've come up, and right now you're above it, and you're just trying to fight and see what's going on here, whether you're going to come back down and get rejected from it, or whether you're going to break out of this support here and look for more potential upside. So yeah, it's literally a game of support and resistance. Okay, if we fail to get past this and we do see XRP roll, you could look for support somewhere along this descending level of support, within this falling wedge. Okay, because you could literally come down here, retest the 55. This is a large potential, I think. Let this 55 creep up, the 55 EMA, and get a pullback to that EMA to look for your breakout. Okay, and basically to get confirmation of that, we just need to see this level of support held right here for XRP. And as I said, it's a descending level of support, so if there was to be targets for it, it could be anywhere down this sort of line here between the 45 cent area, low 45s to high 45 cents. So for me, that's basically what I'm keeping an eye on right now. The 4 hour 55 as it creeps up, okay, and this 20 EMA comes down, does look like, okay, if you don't break this resistance area, you are going to potentially come back down and look for that support. Okay, and if you hold that as support, amazing. If you don't and you start to lose it, my next technical target for XRP, I think, is about 42 cents. It's this previous swing high here, because you can see XRP came up into XRP came up into this as resistance, came back to support on the 20, broke out, and since we broke out, we haven't back tested this area for support. So potentially right now we could just be looking at some large corrective wave down to 42 cents if we lose this descending wedge. Okay, and at that point, that's where I'm looking to hold support and go long on XRP in the near short term. You can also see on the MACD here, which I've just dragged up ridiculously far to the screen, you can see on the MACD that we're starting to get this curl here. Okay, and the red bodied candles are starting to decline, which sort of means that you're looking to come up and start another sort of impulsive move. Okay, this doesn't give 100% confluence. Okay, and you're not below the median line. Normally when you're below the median line is when you get a higher confirmation they're going to start to push up again, but right now you are getting that curvature, and you can ultimately see that in the price where you're starting to try and switch up again. So in the near short term for me, technical targets for XRP right now, okay, are if we can close above this resistance line today, okay, and close above the 382, the next targets for me would be retracing to the 1 fib here at 52 cents. If you came up and you back tested this as support and started to break out, I think you're going to attack the 1 fib at some point, and at that point XRP will make a decision. Okay, if you do break that, you've got higher targets up here. Okay, but in the short term, I think we need to break this descending level of resistance. We need to break the 382 at 48 cents. We need to break above that for a potential move to 52 cents. Okay, that's the bullish scenario. The bearish scenario for me here is if XRP was to start to retrace any further, you would see, okay, so look, you've run into the 050 here on this retracement. If we fail to get above this and we start to lose the 1 fib, okay, on the 4 hour, and we come down and lose the 55 and hit our heads on that, you've got downside technical targets which will lay out here. My minimum target for XRP would be at 44 cents, okay, and then the next point again 42 cents, okay, and the 1618 of 42.13, which again ties up with this local swing high that I said you've broke out of and haven't initially back tested yet. So that's a large this is a large potential here. This is on the 4 hour time frame, guys, okay? So hold support, don't go short. If we come up here and we can start to break above this 20 EMA, look for a retest of 52 cents. If we don't and we start to lose this pattern right now and hit our heads and lose the 55, look for 42 cents on this previous swing high here for XRP. So that's a quick update for you today, guys. I'm going to look at the weekly time frame quickly. Yeah, so for me, guys, as well, what I was saying previously is I would like XRP to fall back to support of 42 cents. That 42 cent range sits at the weekly 20 EMA. So if you do something like this and we start to coil up here between the weekly 55 and the 20 and look for our breakout, that's where I'm going to be going long on XRP. You know, if we lose this 20 and start to come down and lose the 42 cent area, we go short, okay? But that's what I'm going to be looking at moving forward. But yeah, guys, that's a quick update on XRP on the smaller time frames. I hope you enjoyed today's content. If you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, from Chart Nerd TA, peace out.